there, I'm Jess, and today we are going to make a simple no-sew or low-sew stylish hair accessory. The knotted headband is everywhere right now, and we are excited to show you how to make your own. This project has a comfortable design and concealed raw edges for a stylish boutique look. First of all, welcome to the Sallie Tomato YouTube channel. I'm so excited that you found us. And if you like sewing fashion-forward projects, our YouTube channel is the place to be to help you create confidently. The knotted headband is so fashionable right now, so of course we had to make one. You can use this pattern on different size headbands and use nearly any fabric to truly make a knotted headband that fits your style, or perhaps even an entire collection of knotted headbands to coordinate with any outfit or any occasion. This project is suitable for light faux leather, faux fur, quilt cotton, canvas, flannel, knit, sequins, velveteen, denim, or linen. This is also a great pattern to incorporate scraps or upcycled fabrics. You can choose to use a headband that's between 1 inch and 2 inches wide. This project includes a no-sew and low-sew option, but whichever option you choose, you will need some hot glue and your hot glue gun. Before we get started, be sure to grab a pattern. See the description below this video and follow the link to access the pattern information. All of the supplies you need are listed on the pattern. So once you decide on your fabrics, gather your supplies, cut out your pieces according to the pattern, and let's begin. For this project, you will need a main fabric, a headband, and a few notions, including hot glue sticks, a hot glue gun, scissors, sewing clips, and a turning tool. To begin, with right sides up, center piece B over the top of the headband and glue in place. You'll want to wrap piece B to the underside and fold any raw edges underneath as needed. Next, with right sides together, fold piece A in half lengthwise. For a no-sew option, apply a line of hot glue along one long edge between the layers and press down to adhere the long edges together. For a low-sew option, sew a 1/4 inch from the long raw edges. You can use sewing clips to help hold the layers together while gluing or sewing. Next, turn piece A right sides out and center the seam along the underside of the strip. If you have a turning tool for this step, it's especially helpful. Otherwise, just take your time turning the strip right side out. Now, with the undersides facing one another, center piece A under the top of the headband and tie a knot over the headband. Arrange the knot as desired. Then center and glue the side seam of piece A to the right side of the headband towards the corners. Trim the short edges of piece A so that the fabric doesn't extend more than a 1/2 inch or 3/4 inch beyond the headband corners. Then, with wrong sides together, wrap and glue the remaining side edges of piece A to the underside of the headband. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed learning how to make your own knotted headband. And if you have any other questions, let us know below and we'll be sure to help. We would also love to hear what you thought of the design and if you'd like to see more accessory or scrap projects. We would love to see your finished headband. Use the hashtag Sallie Tomato and Sallie Tomato knotted headband on social media so we can see it. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel so you don't miss out on any future videos. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you'll check out the rest of our pattern line for more creative projects. See you next time!